Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Unit. In this video we'll discuss about what are the campaign goal. Suppose when we are running an ads, so in this case you will see an option of the campaign goal. Here you can see the first step is choosing the campaign goals, choose a goal. So here are the 9 points visible. On this can be different according to the ads account. Due to some limitation, the full functionality can't be accessible, so this can be different. So now you can see that add to your advertising plan, get more message, get more WhatsApp message, get more leads, boost Facebook message content, boost an Instagram reel, promote your page, get more goals, get more website visitors. So just we are clicking on anyone right now. So when you click on the get more message button, any button you will click, you will see option here, the goal option. In the goal option you can see that currently get more message is selected. So in this you can see that the send message button will be there. This will be on the messenger. So here you can see that person can directly send message to you. It can be on messenger or it can be Insta. If the person is seeing the ads on the messenger Facebook, so they can directly message on your Facebook. If the person is showing the ads on the Instagram, they can directly send you the message on the Instagram account. When the get more message button will be activated, in this way the ad creative will be look like in the Facebook look like this, and the messenger button will be reflected here. But in the case of the Instagram, the ad will be reflected like this and the send message button will be there. Once we will click on the send message button, it will be redirect to the Instagram inbox. So this is one type of the get more message. If you will change, so you will see multiple options. The 6 option is there: automatic, grow customer base, get more message, get more page like, get more traffic, get more website visitor. So these are the five type of the ads. This is the automatic that we have discussed in the video of automatic ad creation. Now let's move with the grow customer base. When you will click on the grow customer base, you will see that in this if form will be there, use a form to collect contact information from the potential customer. So you can see that the website is there. The sign up form will be there. Once you will click on the sign up form, so the form will be appear like name, email address, so they can submit that. So whenever we will choose the grow customer base, so in this case the form will be there. From that form the customer can fill their information and we can reach out them later. Now the get more page like is there. So you can see that the ad will be look like this and the like button will be there. So in the get more like page, we have to create a promotion that help more people find and like your page. So in this, the aim of this campaign, the aim of this goal is to increase the likes of the page and post. So now next is the get more calls. In the get more calls, you will see the option of the call now. The call now button will be there. From that call now, the visitors can make inquiry to you. So you can see that the show your ad to people who are likely to call your business. In that we will show the ad to those people who are interested to calling our business if they like our product or service. Now the get more website visitor is here. Show your ad to people who are likely to click on the URL in it. You can see that the learn more button will be there. Once the user will click on the learn more button, it will be the visitors will be redirected to the destination part. It can be website URL, it can be your separate landing page URL. This URL can be anything, but you will mention the URL of here. On that you want to set the destination of the visitors. So as here we can see that in the goal part we have mainly 5 type of the goals when we are creating the ads from the Meta business suite. So the first one is the grow customer base. In the grow customer base we will use the form. From that we can capture the visitor data. Once we capture the data, we can connect in later via the form later, like after receive the inquiry. Now the get more message is there. This get more message can be important for the sales part. In that we will get more message on our WhatsApp, on our Facebook. Like if the people is showing the ad on Messenger, so it can Facebook, so they can directly message us on Facebook. If they show ad in Instagram, they can send message on Instagram. Get more page like is there. From that we can get more like on our page in terms of the post and page. From get more calls, from that we can get more calls, get more website visitor. So show URL to people who are likely to click on a link URL in it. Okay, so this is the goal. According to our requirement, we can choose the goal in which goal we want to continue the campaign. So as you can see that in the inner part, the multiple campaign goal is there. So here the goal is also there, that get more message. This is for to get WhatsApp more message. In this case, the more WhatsApp message will be come once the person will see the ads. So the WhatsApp button will be reflected there. Get more leads. In the get more leads, the form will be there. So from potential customer, you can contact them in later. In this, we have to like whatever the content we have posted on the social media, that we can boost this content, boost the Facebook content in social media content. Now the boost on Instagram post or reels, whatever the reels you have posted on the social media, you can use that part and you can boost them. Now the promote your page is there. In that case, whatever the Facebook page you are running, you can promote it and you can reach that particular page to the wider audience depending on your budget part. Get more goals. So from that, once you will select the campaign goal is the get more goals, you will see the call now button in the ads. So if the visitors show your ads, then they can directly call you, they can directly connect with you. Now the get more website visitor is there. In this case, what happen, like on our website, whatever the destination URL we will set, on this particular destination URL, more visitors comes and they can visit our website. So these are the campaign goal that we can use while creating a campaign from scratch. The campaign in the Meta Business Suite. So in the Meta Business Suite, in inner part, we have discussed like there are the main 5 type campaign that we can pick, and what are the main purpose of these 5 campaigns that we have also discussed in that part. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day.